you'll need closed and open chainmail links and 2 pliers. I prefer these angled ones since you don't have to move your arms as much. 4-in-1 means that every ring is connected to 4 other rings. For simplicity, I'll call the open ones links and the closed ones rings. Start by taking 4 rings and thread 1 link through them. Now close the link. Take another link and thread it through 2 rings. Then add another 2 rings before closing the link. Thread the next link through the 2 rings you've just added. It should look like this strand of alternating 2 rings in one. From here there are different approaches forward. My favorite is to make many of these strands and connect them later. I feel like this is the quickest way with the least steps. For that I lay the strands in front of me like this. Now take a link to connect these 4 rings. Make sure the rings are overlapping correctly. This looks a lot fiddlier than it is. I usually do this on my lap while watching TV and it works just fine. Now continue until you've got your desired chainmail size. To see what you can do with this, here's a video from my main channel that you might like. And the last step is to subscribe for more no bull tutorials.